Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming back. Buli omu alaba video eno webale nate okukomaawo. Today, without wasting any time, leero nga sonoonye kadde konna, we are going to talk about the common things that are spoken at home. Ebintu ebyogerwa ennyo ewaka, or the common sentences that you can find at home. Just a few. We have, maybe you have friends at home, olina emikwano ewaka, you have parents at home, olina abazadde ewaka, and this is going to help you who are learning English or those who are learning Luganda. Kino kigenda kuba kiyamba mwena Yiga Oluzungu n'Oluganda. If you want to learn in form of sentences, woba oyagala kuyiga sentences zigenda okuyamba. Some are like, teacher, I want to just master a few sentences that I can speak at home. Njagala kukwasaayo emboozi ezimu ze nsobola okukola ki okwogera ewaka. Then we'll deal with grammar later. Eyo entereeza endala tujja gikola ki gyogera oba tujja kugiyiga edda. So you at home, you wake up in the morning, oli waka n'ozuukuka ku makya osobola ogamba oli otya maama, oli otya mama, oli otya mama. How are you, mom? Oli otya tata? How are you, dad? Oli otya muganda wange? How are you, my brother? You get? Anybody? Oli otya jajja? Jajja is grandma. Oli otya jajja? Jajja omukazi is grandma. Jajja omusajja is grandpa or grandfather. Oli otya jajja omusajja. Senga is aunt. Oli otya senga? How are you, aunt? Wasuze otya senga? How did you sleep, aunt? Oh, good morning. So we are done the first step there. Tumalirize ekyo ekisooka ekya oli otya. Then ekyokubiri osobola ogamba musoke agenzeewa. Musoke agenzeewa. You're not saying musoke at home, so you have to say musoke agenzeewa. Where did musoke go? Oba where has musoke gone? Oba okitegeera, where did musoke go or where has musoke gone? Tugenda ku kyokusatu. All this is at home with family members, with peers, ewaka ne bammemba ba family ne mikwano gyo. Waliyo ekirala, mena aliwa. Mena aliwa. Where is mena? Where is mena? Osobola ogamba mena ali ludda wa oba ali ludda ki. Which side is mena? Which side is mena? Mena agenzeewa. Where did mena go? Okitegeera, nitubadde ku mena ali wa. Osobola ogamba James oba Yakobo yasuze atya. There is wasuze otya. How did you sleep? But then we are reporting James yasuze atya. I'm here with somebody and then we are referring to James, asking to find out how did James sleep. James yasuze atya. How did James sleep? How did James sleep? James yasuze atya. We can have this. Where is our friend? Where is our friend? Maybe that very James. Oboolyawo oyo mwenyini James. Where is our friend? Mukwano gwaffe aliwa. Mukwano gwaffe aliwa. Mukwano gwaffe aliwa. Where is our friend? Then what are you doing? What are you doing? Okola chi. Okola chi. Okola chi. Oba mukola chi. This literally means ebintu bibiri. What are you doing literally means what mukolachi in Luganda. Mukolachi, many, one, okolachi. So if you're asking in Luganda one person how he or she is doing, you say okolachi. Then two people, mukolachi. What are you doing? Okay. Wasuze otya Dalton. Wasuze otya Dalton. How did you sleep, Dalton? Or you can say good morning Dalton. Tuli wamu. Okay, netugenda ku enjala. enjala enuma, enjala enuma. I am hungry, I am hungry. Osobola n'ogamba I am feeling hungry, mpulira enjala. I'm feeling hungry, mpulira enjala, or enjala enuma. Okay, then the next one is tugenda mu. Tugenda mu town. We are going to town. Tugenda mu town. Maybe it starts with somebody asking mugenda wa. Mugenda wa. Mugenda wa. Mugenda wa. Where are you going? And that's the response. Somebody would say tugenda mu town. Tugenda mu town. Tugenda ku somero. We are going to school. Tugenda ku somero. We are going at the hospital. Tugenda ku dwaliro. We are going at the kitchen. Tugenda ku fumbiro. Okay? We are going to bed. Tugenda mu buliri oba ku buliri. Then we have tugenda kulya. Oh, where are you going? Mugenda wa. We say tugenda kulya. Tugenda kulya, we are going to eat. Maybe somebody would also ask mugenda kolachi. Mugenda kolachi. What are you going to do? What are you guys going to do? And of course, in English, what are you going to do? It's the same as like the many. What the many are going to do and what the one is going to do. What are you going to do? Okay? So mugenda kolachi and ogenda kolachi. They would say we are going to eat, we are going to town, we are going to sleep. Thank you so much. I have some bonus points. Make sure you go through the videos. A video that talks about Uganda alphabets, Luganda alphabets, walifu from A to Z. And then you go to the syllables or the stems, enyingo z'Oluganda. Enyingo z'Oluganda, we have one letter syllables, which is A, E, O. That's one letter syllable, A, E, O. And then we have two letter syllable, enyingo ez'ebigambo bibiri, ba, ve, vi, vo, vu. Then ta, nze, nzanze, nzinzonzu, kwa, kwe, kwi, kwo, ku, gwa, gwe, gwi, gwo, gu, and tia, tie, chi, tio, tu. Can we see where anywhere we've put this? We've used this to sobola okulaba wa wetukozeseza enyingo ezimu ku ezo. Yino tia. Tia evudde mu tia, tie, tityo. Eri mweno ta. Nze. Nze is here. Nza, nze, nzinzo, nzu. Tugende ewalala. Tia is here again. Kwa. Kwa is here. We have kwa. Then gwa. Gwa here. Gwa. Then we have tia is here. Then this is okay. Nda. We missed nda. Do we have nda? We have nda. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu. Then nda again here. Then the rest is two letter stems. All right. Practice this. Viteke munkola, vigezese, and then get back to the earlier videos that have stems. This is for those who are learning Luganda, and then in English there are those that are talking about alphabets, English alphabets, and everything else that you will need to help you move on in your journey of learning Luganda, and those who are learning English, abayiga Oluzungu n'abayiga n'Oluganda. So reach out in case you want to learn a specific topic, and don't forget our birthday is going to be on 10th August. We are fundraising to build our community center and a space where we will have some of the students come and learn the different stuff All right. Anything you give, $1, $2, we'll be using that to build our community center. Buli ky'onaabanga otuwa kijja tuyamba okuzimba community center yaffe. Mbaagala nnyo.